No matter what people think about beauty pageant, ladies from the hilly district are not far behind from contesting in different beauty contests. But hang on, how can a lady could win a title who had no curiosity about any beauty contest?
I was not that much interested, in beauty pageants.
Perhaps the interrogation has no sense. A lady from the Futararangso who had no interest in beauty pageant in her early life.
Shouting, Teronpi, Teronpi, that means they're Karbi, right?
Okay. Miss Nirmola Teronpi won Miss Karbi Anglong 2019 title, and she is the first runners-up of Miss Grand Falcon 2019.
Hey, how are you? Like that.
Miss Nirmola Teronpi is a BSc student at Difu Government College who also loves to play her favorite game, basketball. The 20-year-old lady is the eldest daughter among 4 children of her mother Rupali Diuri and her father Anjit Teron, who is an auto driver here in Difu town and very supportive to his children. And now let's listen in what Nirmola Teronpi wants to say about her recent successes. Okay, Nirmola, welcome to Cut News.
Thank you so much for having me in this channel.
Alright, so my first question to you is, since you won Miss Karbi Anglong 2019 title, and also recently you won first runners-up in Miss Falcon 2019, which was held at Umrangso during the Falcon Festival, right? So how is your feeling, and whom you want to give this credit?
Okay, winning Miss Karbi Anglong and having an opportunity to be called as Miss Karbi Anglong of 2019 plus first runner-up of Miss Grand Falcon 2019 is the most wonderful feeling that I have in my life.
Oh yeah.
In my life. And about credits, firstly, I would like to thanks to the organizer of Kajuronghangpi Memorial Terenhan Society, especially our president sir, Mr. Gautam Terang, and to every members of the organizers.
Okay.
And
don't you want to
credits?
Yeah.
Yes, obviously my parents, because they have supported me financially, and that's the most needed, isn't it? And then they have supported me emotionally, and my sister and each of my friends, they have supported me a lot.
Oh yes. And why you choose these professions as a competing in a beauty pageant? Why do you see in beauty pageant that you choose this profession? Okay,
choosing this profession, as I always used to say in the introduction part, in competing there, in first introduction part, that I believe, according to me, that a beauty pageant is for every girl with any ambitions. It doesn't matter which profession you belong from or what type of aim you have.
Oh yeah.
If you aim for a doctor or an engineer, it's okay. It's for every girl with any ambitions.
Yes. And can you tell me what is the most important issue that your generation is facing right now?
Okay. The issues that my generations are facing, according to me, is lack of employment opportunities. As I've seen, most of my seniors, they are still hanging around without any jobs. So I would like to give one message to them that they should seek for being self-employed.
All right. Yes, this is a great answer that you have replied me, and this is what this generation is facing. This is not only employment, a lack of unemployment, but there is a lot of things that we are lacking behind in our generation.
And the second issue that I would like to reveal is failure to succeed in education system. Okay. Now when I talk about education, it's not just about reading books, the knowledge that we get through reading books.
Oh, yes.
Education in the sense of having that manners, having good habits, that all I would like to say. And then thirdly, obviously we have been knowing the side effects of social network. Kids nowadays, they are so much fond of using the social network, social media, the Facebook, the Instagram. They used to run that a lot. I would like to tell them that you use it in certain way that it benefits for you. It should not harm you.
All right. why do you think that people have negative image on, about pageantry? Since many people, criticize about the beauty pageant, that you should not do such things, or you should not compete in beauty pageant. Why do you think that people have a negative image on pageantry?
Okay, the question I was waiting for. This question is like very much important for me to answer. And people, those who have negative image about beauty pageant or beauty contest, I would like to tell them that just look at the girls, those who represent herself in beauty contest. Just look at them. They are lawyers, doctors, entrepreneurs, and then a businesswoman. Even one example I would like to give: the Miss World winning Manushi Chiller, Miss World of 2017. She herself is a doctor, but then just look at her. She just won the world. She just make herself the title of 2017. So, like, you should not have a bad image about beauty pageant.
You mean to say there is no reason to have any negative image about the pageantry, right?
Yeah.
All right. So, what do you see yourself in the next 10 years?
Okay, the upcoming 10 years, I would like to see myself to be a successful woman and achieve my career excellence, along with taking care of my parents and providing them everything they need, the love they have given to me. I will be able to repay them.
Yes.
And then, because through this upcoming 10 years, they are getting old. So I would like to give my everything to them.
Okay. So just tell me frankly, and just as much as you can you tell me what is your experience just participating in Miss Falcon?
Participating in Miss Grand Falcon.
Yes.
Okay, that was such a sudden journey for me, because during 3 November we had Miss Karbi Anglong contest, and then 9 November it's my birthday.
Oh yes.
Okay. And then 13 November there was an audition in Guwahati. I just rushed for that audition first, and then we had audition. I got selected, and then we need to stay there. I couldn't come back to Diffu because we had grooming classes and all, and then grooming classes started, and 15 came, and then we went to Umrangso, and then 16 we had the competition. And out there, the competitors who were competing against me, they were tough enough. They were they were awesome. I got to learn many things about being with them, staying with them, and then the groomers and all the organizers, they were taking so much care of us. But then the competition, lastly, I end up getting the first runner-up, and then the winner was from Nagaland. She was awesome. Yeah, she was very much good enough. And then about the place Umrangso, the place was very beautiful. I went at that place for first time. As soon as I reached that place, I was like, oh my god. We used to see in movie, film and all, no, the place, but then I saw that place in real in that day only, because I never went to that place. I just heard. And the place was awesome, the competition was awesome, and then the program and all was very nice.
So can you tell me, since Umrangso is connected with Karbi Anglong, right?
Karbi Anglong.
So do you see any Karbi people watching this Falcon Festival? And many people come to upload their photos in social media about the Falcon Festival. Even I also experienced that. Even my friend also went there. So do you experience many Karbi people are going there?
Being in that place, yeah, obviously there were many Karbi peoples. When I was standing there, and then the anchor was about to announce the winners and all, and then I heard the crowd was shouting Teronpi, Teronpi. That means they are Karbi, right? Contestant number 14, because they were Karbi. There were many Karbi peoples, and then there were many Karbi residing out there, I guess, because the shops and all. Okay. I went to that shops, but then they were full of lots of Karbi peoples. and it's in Dimaha South district, I guess.
Yes, Dimaha.
Yeah, but then there were many Karbi peoples. It was unexpected,
Yes.
as I never have been to that place before. But then there were more Karbi peoples out there.
Okay, so since we are talking about the Karbi people, right, and many the Karbi girls who are looking to to be a part in such beauty pageant and to achieve some different awards or some beauty contest award, right? So what you want to encourage, not only the Karbi people, I'm not only talking about the Karbi people, but Karbi people in particular, what you want to encourage the beauty contestant you want to
Encouraging the girls, since we are not talking only about the Karbi girls, we are talking about every girls, isn't it?
Yeah.
So like I would like to tell them that it's okay if you have the talent, you have that passion, and you just set your goal that yes, you need that crown, then you just rush for it, you go for it, you just work for that, then no one can stop you. And that's the motto I had. And then
Oh yes.
that's why it's
Okay, I would like to now come into your family. But
okay.
I'm not into your personal life, but we just want to know you, since you are the Miss Karbi Anglong, right, 2019. So can you can you tell me about your family?
my family. Okay, we are 6 members. My father, mother, and then I'm the eldest one in my home.
Okay.
I mean in my family. And then I have one younger sister who is very supportive, who had been with me like through all this contest.
Okay.
And then I have one brother, and then I have one small sister.
Okay. Since you are from Taralangso,
Yes,
right?
I'm from Taralangso.
So how the people of Taralangso are? Can you tell me?
Taralangso.
Are they great or?
Yeah, they are great. Like they were like coming to my place. Hey, how are you? Like that.
Okay, so you won the Miss Karbi Anglong title and also runners up in Falcon. So obviously they will be very happy, right?
Yeah. Firstly, I won the Miss Karbi Anglong, and then again, like within 2 weeks,
Okay.
I just got the first runner up.
Okay.
So they were like more excited. They were more curious to like see me, but then I hardly used to stay at home nowadays.
Yes. Okay.
Because I need to like move to other places. But still, they used to come to my place and seek for me, and then like they they are like showering more love at me.
Okay. Oh, have you ever participated in Miss KYF?
Miss KYF? No, I haven't tried for that.
Okay.
Because I was not that much interested in beauty pageants. I used to watch them. Okay, I used to admire them. How could they win such competitions? How could they answer like the questions that have been asked? How could they be so beautiful? That question used to circle in my mind. But then 2018, my friend out there, she participated in Miss Karbi Anglong 2018, and then I was watching that that program, okay, and then I saw her, and then I was, oh my god, if they can do it, why couldn't I?
Okay.
That's why I set my mind from the previous year only that next year I need to participate and have this crown with me.
And you beat all the participants that participated in Miss KYF, right?
Maybe because I was preparing from 1 year back.
I'm very shocked to listen that even if you stay in Taralangso where the Karbi Youth Festival is held, but you did not participate even for once in Miss KYF. But hopefully in the days to come, you will achieve whatever you want in your career. So she is Nirmola Teronpi, ladies and gentlemen. She recently won Miss Karbi Anglong 2019 title and also first runners up in Miss Grand Falcon 2019 that was held at Umrangso. So we are very fortunate to have her have to have her in this particular platform here in this Card News channel. So Ms. Nirmola, thank you so much for coming to this Card News channel, and all the very best for your coming days.
Thank you so much, and thank you so much for inviting me in this show.
All right, all the very best.
Thank you.
So thank you so much. Keep watching Card News channel.
Hello everyone, my name is Nirmola Teronpi, and please subscribe to Cut News channel for more news and different videos. Thank you so much, and thanks for watching.